Oh, and it's no weird smell. Y'all know them bundles be funky sometimes. Like, and I just be like, nah, I don't even want them, y'all. Like, that's a deal breaker for me. Some funky bundles, I don't.
Bad bossy Boujie, turn the lights up. Lights up. Big hair, big goals, get your life up. Catch the vibe, let's ride, yeah, we poppin'. This the glow up, keep it locked in. We rockin'.
Hey, Bossy Posse, and welcome back to my channel where we slay, serve, and stay flawless. It's your girl, Boujie Boss. Today, I got something super exciting for y'all. My Mayvenn Hair unboxing, y'all. I ordered 2 10-inch bundles, and we're about to dive into every single detail. So let's get it. So first of all, can we get into this packaging, y'all? Look at this. Look at this packaging. Like, it's so, y'all, look. I got the tabs on it. Like, it's so secure. Like, there's no way that my bundles would even get damaged, like, during the shipping. Like, the packaging is giving classy, sleek, luxurious. Like, I feel like a baddie. Like, get out the pack. And plus, it came super quick. Like, I ordered it and it literally shipped the next day. Like, and it took like 3 days to get here. So that's always gonna be a big plus for me. Like, how fast I can get my hair, so I don't be walking around here looking like a bald head skittle diddle. Like, that is perfect for me. I don't, long shipping times do something to me. I be done regret my hairstyle. Like, I don't even want the hairstyle anymore. The moment of truth, Bossy Posse. Let's unbox these beauties. Let's unbag them. Let's get it open. So now we got the unsecure. Okay, maybe y'all make sure. Y'all make sure it can't. Nobody's. Okay, I got it. Let's get the. Ooh, y'all, look at this. Y'all, these bundles though. Okay, let's. Okay, y'all. This bundle is so soft, y'all. It is so silky and shiny. Like, the camera is not doing it no justice. I have to record on my MacBook right now because I'm at my mama's house, but I got to give out the content, so I'm gonna get content by any means necessary. But like, these bundles are just chef's kiss, y'all. Like, let's talk y'all. Like, I can't. Oh, and it's no weird smell. Y'all know them bundles be funky sometimes. Like, and I just be like, nah, I don't even want them, y'all. Like, that's a deal breaker for me. Some funky bundles, I don't. So look at these, y'all. Let's take a closer look. Okay, I went for the 10-inch because, like I said, I have a 1-year-old who pulls hair, so you know. And I went for the 10-inch bundles because, like, I'm going for a super sleek, natural looking hairstyle. Y'all, these wefts, like, look at how thick these bundles are. Like, y'all know some of these bundles don't be this thick. Like, I feel like this is perfect. Like, and it's thick, y'all. They not look at this. Look how thick that is. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this camera is not doing this hair no justice. Like, and it's natural. I went for a natural color, and it's beautiful, y'all. And this hair is so freaking soft. Like, I love it. It feels like butter. Like, pack, there's no shedding. Like, straight out the pack, like, there's no shedding. Y'all know them bundles be shedding. Already know I'm about to turn these bundles into a whole vibe, baby. Like, I'm thinking about doing like a little bob or something, like something, I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out. But let me know if y'all in the comments if y'all want a full video on how I style these, because these baby, yes, Mayvenn. Yes, y'all delivered. Y'all, if y'all loving these bundles as much as I am, make sure you check out my Mayvenn affiliate link in the description box. Is also linked in my bio. And y'all, please support your girl while getting some bomb hair. It's a win-win. Baby, you get to look flawless. You get what I'm saying? And it's a win for me. But thank y'all so much for watching, Bossy Posse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're loving my content. Also, don't forget to hit that bell if you want to see the next video so you never miss another slay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.